This shit. Look at this shit, man. Everything's all froze. Holy. There's not much snow, but this is crazy. I went outside, tried cleaning up as much snow off of my car as I can, and my fingers were froze. It's crazy. And you see there's ice. Ice, ice, ice. Ice everywhere, man. Ah, damn.
Harder for the cops who the motherfucking 7. 6 bodies dropping, nobody with the heaven. Block stay high, pull up people with the weapon. Gotta keep the pills in me, all because I'm under pressure. City of the crescent, riding with the Smith and Wesson. Got a motherfucker guessing when I hit him with the blessing. 2 shots to the thumb, 6 shots in the chrome. Auto shot, 3 on that, it's a crime zone. SUICIDE, scarecrow creeping with Uzi.
We are here. This guy. I ain't gonna lie, he's probably cold. Woo! Doors all froze, bro. Damn. Whoa, dog. Oh, it's cold. Ah, it's cold. I don't know if my car will start. We're gonna find out though. I got an older car. We about to see. Oh, barely, dog. Right. Bitches. Another one. What the fuck? Ah. Hey. Yo, it is cold. It's cold. Drago! It's like -4 out today. Fuck this.
How about that right there, Doc? Oh.
Easy, bro.
What's that?
Got that workout
I
in?
sent you one.
Worked out. And now we cleansing the face type shit.
Well, let me open up the flip phone.
Body art
Minute to
type shit.
process.
And we watching doc.
No, it's, wait, what did I send you?
Try streaming today, but
You're not queued up, are you?
I ain't worried.
I'm not.
Fuck it, we just here chilling. Holy shit, guys. I will not lie to you. It is cold in this bitch. I didn't end the vlog off yesterday, so I'm gonna end it off right now. If you enjoyed yesterday's vlog, I'm gonna do a whole bunch of nothing, but if you enjoyed it, smash that like button type shit. And I'm gonna record for Christmas and today, which is Christmas Eve. So let's get it in, bro. Everybody has a blessed Christmas, and I'll catch you on these vlogs. Deuces.